Welcome to this tutorial on creating Paddle subscription management. Paddle is a popular platform for managing subscriptions and payments. And in this guide, we will walk you through the process of setting up a subscription management system using Paddle. First, you need to create a Paddle account and set up your product. To do this, go to the Paddle website and sign up for an account. Once you have created your account, you can set up your product by providing basic information such as product name, description, and pricing. Next, you need to create a subscription plan. A subscription plan defines the terms of the subscription, including the billing frequency, billing cycle, and pricing. To create a subscription plan, go to the Paddle dashboard and navigate to the Products section. Click on the product you created earlier and then click on the Subscription Plans tab. Here, you can create a new subscription plan by providing the plan details, such as the plan name, description, and pricing. After creating your subscription plan, you need to set up the payment gateway. Paddle supports a variety of payment gateways, including Stripe, PayPal, and bank transfer. To set up the payment gateway, go to the Paddle dashboard and navigate to the Payment Gateways section. Here, you can connect your payment gateway by providing the required credentials. Once you have set up your payment gateway, you can start creating subscriptions. To create a subscription, go to the Paddle dashboard and navigate to the Subscriptions section. Here, you can create a new subscription by providing the subscription details, such as the subscription plan, customer information, and billing details. Paddle also provides a range of tools and features to help you manage your subscriptions, including webhooks, APIs, and analytics. Webhooks allow you to receive notifications when certain events occur, such as when a subscription is created or canceled. APIs allow you to integrate Paddle with your own application, and analytics provide insights into your subscription revenue and customer behavior. Best practices for creating Paddle subscription management include setting up clear and concise subscription plans, providing excellent customer support, and regularly reviewing and optimizing your subscription strategy. By following these best practices, you can create a successful subscription management system using Paddle. In conclusion, creating Paddle subscription management is a straightforward process that requires setting up your product, creating a subscription plan, setting up the payment gateway, and creating subscriptions. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a subscription management system that meets your needs and helps you grow your business.